Okay, I wanted to make a little quick video. I was looking at some of your other questions on that very first part. And e, the 5x squared minus 2x equals 0. We'll look at that later. I don't know why she would put it in this section. It would come in really handy in either completing the square or quadratic formula, which we'll get to later. So just skip e for now. But I wanted to look at f and g real quick. They just look a little different, but it's really not hard. I promise this is real easy. So on this one here, the only thing I have to do is move this over. I want everything on the same side when I'm factoring these. It's something I didn't talk about in the last video. So if I want to move that over there, I have to add it. Okay, anytime you cross that equal sign, you got to change your sign. Okay, so then that's x squared plus 8x plus 15 equals 0 now, because negative 15 plus 15 is gone. So all I did was move it over. Now it's just like what we did before. I want to know what to multiply to give me 15. I can go ahead and put these here. X. So 15 will be 1 times 15, negative 1 times negative 15, and 3 times 5, and negative 3 times negative 5. Now I'll list out all these, but hopefully you can get comfortable where you know it's going to be 3 and 5, because 3 plus 5 will give me 8. So plus 3 plus 5 equals 0. And then I'd say x equals negative 3 and x equals negative 5. Because remember, before I'd set those both equal to 0 and solve, okay? Go back to that previous if you don't remember that part. All right, and then on G, same kind of thing. I've got to move this over, right? I got to move that 3t over. So to move it, I'd say minus 3t, minus 3t. I'm going to put it right under the other t. So that'd be t squared plus 2t minus 35 equals 0, because those cancel. Now again, I'm just doing a t instead of an x. All right, so negative 35. So 1 times negative 35, negative 1 times 35. Okay, 2 won't, 3 won't, 4 won't, 5 will. 5 times negative 7, or negative 5 times 7. And that would be my answer, right? Because negative 5 plus 7 would give me my 2. So negative 5 plus 7. So t would equal 5, or t would equal negative 7. Okay, so I just wanted to show those to you real quick because they looked a little different, but there's really not much to it. You're just moving the thing over, okay? I hope that helps.